Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we are talking about how to track YouTube videos on a website where we all tracking do by GTM. You can see this is my Vimeo video and this is my YouTube video. In this video we are tracking YouTube video. After that we are also tracking Vimeo video. So if you want to know how we do this, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Today's session we are learning YouTube videos tracking. You can see I already track it and I show the data in the Google Analytics debug view. You can see the video title, video URL, video provider, video current time, it means total time, and video duration. You can see all of data in your Google Analytics if you track correctly. So here you can show all of your data in Google Analytics debug view. So let's jump to our today's session, how to track YouTube videos by GTM. So first of all we need to log in our Google Tag Manager. After we log in your Google Tag Manager, we need to create some tag triggers and variable. So first of all we need a trigger. So let's preview it. What we need to first. Our YouTube video is in about us section. In about us page, here I see YouTube video. You see our previous event Ga4 is called tag is fired, and here show all of data in data layer. So let's see. You see here YouTube video also fired. Also fired is video engagement. Here you see already even fired is YouTube video engagement is automatically collected event. So when we start a video, it will be start video engagement. So our main basically event is YouTube video. So let's jump to GTM. Now we need to create a trigger. Okay, I give the trigger name is Ga4 YT trigger. Because I do it Ga4 YT meaning YouTube and trigger. Here you see some event is type is already created variable. So I selected it. You select all the button and gives percentage. When fired, our video is too long, that's why I need to show you is it work or not. That's why I select some 255% at times threshold is divided into a video percentage. we need to tick all the button. DOM ready. Okay, DOM means when all our browser all data is processed. Okay, then we need to create a tag. We also tag name is Ga4YT tag Ga4 event. Oh sorry, I need to select Ga4 event config. Event name is video. I need some parameter. You see our YouTube video is in a video under, so here we see all of the event and parameter which I need to select and what I need to do. Here give all the instruction under Google Analytics support. Video start engagement, it's automatic collected. I already told you. So now we need to do video current time, video duration, percentage, URL visible. We need to call as a parameter. So for embedded video, just API support enable, the video triggered, video start, video process, video complete. You see. So we need our value is already created in custom variable. So here we see it, video current time, video duration. We need to keep it as we said. If you do something change, it not work. So when you do this work or do this track, you need to keep patient on your work. Do not hurry to do it. If you do some mistake on this, then that will be not work. Who is the video provider? We need to select in custom variable. This variable is already created. If you not understand, then you can see my other videos where we can discuss all of about this. I need some one video URL. Okay, visible. If you did not do, nothing is happened, so no problem. I see it, video visible. Okay, save. Oh, we need to select trigger, Ga4YT trigger. Okay, save it. The trigger section I give you, you need to select this enable. If you do not enable this, it is not work. If you not select, then video provider, video start process, pause, it not work automatically. That's it. Okay, save. After saving it, submit. Our Ga4 submit is working. After all of it, when you complete tag trigger variables, you need to submit it. If you do not submit or publish it, it's not work, or it's not published, it's not submitted on GTM. That's why you need need after the all the process done, when to publish or submit, to click on submit button, then our code is working. So I hope you can understand. If you like our video, please like, comment and subscribe, and if you need any help, then in the comment section, in the description, I give my others links. You can contact with me, I will help you. Or if you need my service, also you can contact with me. I love to do it. This is my Vimeo video. I not use it. I will go. Here you see, not working.
Hello, welcome to my
I
channel.
will go with YouTube video, then you can see.
Hello,
It's
welcome to my
magically.
channel.
Here you see Ga4 YT tag fired. Video percentage will be fired. I hope 2 times. Even parameters. Here you see 5. Okay. Everything is okay. I'll see Ga4 video variables. Here we see. Okay. Let's see other things about video percentage 0, start YouTube, title, URL visible true. All of my parameters is work. If here you can see it. Here you see video percentage changes, current time changes. Yes, our tag is successfully fired. So if you need any help, please contact with me. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. I hope I will more share with you. Thank you for giving me so much time.